I'm going to show you how to use data gradient for object detection. Data gradient is provided by Deshi AI. Data gradient it is used to analyze image features such as color, distribution, brightness, and size. You can do visualization of your sample dataset for better understanding, and you can see more uses of data gradient throughout this video. Okay, let us start with the installation. First of all, we need to install the data gradient. After that, we can move forward from installing all the necessary libraries for this project. Let us move forward for the utility function. Let's start with downloading our dataset from Riverflow. I'm using a dataset of Wildcat for detection purpose. This dataset is provided by Daniel Christodas, and the version I'm using for this dataset it is YOLO V8. Let us move forward. Now let us give our part properly for importing our YML file. Second step, we should load our data into the requirement parameters. Here I am given the proper path for all the necessary items. Let us divide the dataset in a train set and value set. I just upgraded my payload because of the necessary packages might not properly download it. Or you can just go upward after doing this installation. Just restart the runtime and run all the necessary steps ahead of this given library. Let us move forward and now perform our analysis. Here they have provided a good set types of required analysis report. They have given us a sort of report title, train and valid data set, and they have provided a class name present in the data set. They have given some more extractive important things for the documentation. Here I have provided my report title, my train data, my valid data, and even my class name. After running this step, I just got a length of my data set. It is of the training data, it is 99 as compared to my dataset was small, so I got decimals. You can test on your own custom dataset and you can provide it. They have provided me the option to come up with label compass or bounding box compass. I just gone with my label compass, and they have provided, and even they have provided some of the important notes related to them. After that, they have provided me to select the option for which format I am working on. I just gone with my yellow format. After that, they just given an analysis and a summarization of my dataset, and they have started writing the report. And this was quite a fastest thing I got from the report, and I have able to review my PDF also. This is my PDF, and you can see I have a training dataset of 99 and validation dataset of 9 only. As I already mentioned, I don't have a huge amount of dataset, and they have provided multiple uh, statistics of classes in use, annotation for images, median, image revelation, small annotation, large annotation, and many more. You can just scroll down and you can refer the PDF, and they have provided the color distribution as I mentioned previously in the beginning of my video. And you can see they are providing the visualization and samples of the training dataset and valid dataset. And you can see the distribution of bounding boxes for images, and as well as they have given a nice plot for the number of bounding boxes for images. As the requirement of this dataset was less, so I am going to use it for a small purpose only. You can go with a large number of amount of dataset as per your requirement. After that, they have even provided the download reporting option also. I was able to download my report, and you can even generate a JSON report for your another even I was able to do individual analysis, and in that they have given me the option to go with image color distribution, image average brightness, image resolution, detection bounding box area, bounding box IOU, that interaction over union value, and they have given me more precious related to per image count, bounding box size, and class frequency, class heat map, and many more, and they have given a sample of visualization, which was really a good part of this. I was able to give a small review once again for this, and I was able to get the perfect result once again for my dataset. And they have given me a small report on per images count as well as many things. And in short, I was even able to do the summarization in JSON format. That's it. Thank you. And even I would like to thank our Twitter for giving me this opportunity, and even Roverflow for their dataset.